everybody, this is Mrs. Lopez helping you figure out some melodies. I had some alto sax students of mine ask me if I could help them figure out a melody by a band called the Gorillaz. The song is called Rock the House. So this video is about helping those students figure out the melody on alto sax. Hope you enjoy. So for this melody, you're going to need the following notes. And I'm going to start with the highest note and work my way down. The first note from high to low will be the B, your thumb and your 1, your A, which is thumb, 1 and 2, the G sharp, where you add your third finger and the top left side key. You're going to need your F sharp, so second finger of the right hand. You're going to need the note E. You're going to need the note C sharp, which is no keys, and then you are going to need the note B. The first sequence of notes includes A, G sharp, E, and B. The second sequence of notes is C sharp, E, F sharp. First and second sequence together sound like this. The next sequence, B, E, F sharp. The last sequence, A, G sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp. All right, everybody, so there you have it. Just play that entire sequence two times, and you should have the intro to Rock the House made by the Gorillaz. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.